Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we will draw one of the bravest women in history, Harriet Tubman. She helped hundreds of slaves escape from slavery through the Underground Railroad, which is a secret path that helped slaves escape to places where they could be free. Harriet Tubman also helped during the Civil War, where she became a nurse and led soldiers into battle. This is what Harriet Tubman should look like when we are done drawing her. So let's get started. By making her face, we will make a large U shape like this. Next, we are going to make her ears by going out like this. And let's do the other side. All right, so let's make the top of her head by making a curved line from here to here like this. All right, let's make a head covering. So we're going to start about right here and go out. Going to stop right here. And then we are going to continue to the other side of the back of her ear. All right, so let's give her eyes by making two rainbow shapes, and let's make a U shape to connect for each eye. All right, let's make a circle inside each eye, and let's make another circle or a partial circle like this by making a curved line in each circle. And let's give her eyebrows, and let's make her hair from here to here, which is partly shown, by making wavy lines on one side and wavy lines on the other side. All right, and let's decorate her head covering by making squares. All right, so next let's make her nose by making a small little rainbow shape, and let's make her mouth by making a large curved line like this, and let's do the bottom by making a large curved line and then a horizontal line across for her lips. And let's give her eyelashes. Let's make 4 eyelashes on one side of the eye and do 4 on the other. So we are done with her face. Let's make her neck by making 2 vertical lines like this. And let's close it in by making a curved line. And let's make her shawl. So we're going to make a shawl. She's wearing a shawl, so we're going to make a curved line going down to the end of the paper like this on one side. And let's do the opposite side. Next, let's put some patterns in her shawl. So let's make a diagonal line like this, and another one like this, and let's make a diagonal line from here to here like this, and one more like this. So we're done drawing Harriet Tubman. So let's make the North Star. Harriet Tubman used the North Star to guide her to freedom and other slaves as well. And so we're going to make one large star, the Northern Star, by making a diagonal line like this, and then making another one like this, and then making another one going down like this. And let's make one right here like this, and then make another one that is slightly lower like this. So we have the Northern Star, and let's make a crescent moon on the other side by making a large curved line like this, and then coming starting from here to here by making another curved line for the crescent moon. And let's make some more stars. This is optional. I'm going to make a few more for this paper, for this artwork. So I'm going to put one here, one here, one here, maybe a little one here. It doesn't really matter how many stars you put, and maybe one here. And that's it. And we are done drawing Harriet Tubman. The next step is to color. As you can see, these are the colors that I used. I hope you had fun coloring history. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.